Good morning everyone, so we're about to go on another beach walk and we're all up and ready and here we go. Such a beautiful day. It's really windy, but it's like beautiful at the same time. Yes.
It's quite windy today. Some great waves and beauties. Look at that. It's me out there doing this. Catherine off. Wonderful. Sure. Let's do some more. Yeah, let's go.
I'm not sure what I vlogged last, but we just went for a meal and just relaxed in the Mash and Barrel, which is the pub, for a little while, and everyone's gone their own separate ways and done their own little thing for a while. Me and Daisy are just kind of relaxing here, and I think we might watch a movie, kind of unwinding because I had 2 very busy days and kind of hit that I could fall asleep any moment kind of thing. I kind of was falling asleep in the thing, wasn't I? Yeah. In the pub, and I was like having my phone in my hand and I was just like nod off. But yeah, I've just dried my jumper off with the hairdryer because as we were walking back from the morning walk, it just started pelting it down like it did yesterday. So all my clothes are like soaked and I had to change them. So I'm just going to get nice and cosy now with like some warm drinks and watch a movie. Hey guys, so I have absolutely no idea what I've vlogged today. It's been kind of a really weird, kind of sleepy day. I just like fell asleep at like 5 o'clock till like 7 or 8. So I had some food and I'm really tired, so I don't know if we're going to go out tonight or not. But we'll see what happens. I wish I'd like carried on filming last night. I realised that I completely forgot like this morning when I woke up. but it was so much fun. Like, we bumped into our friends and then we like had like some drinks and stuff and just caught up because we hadn't seen each other, like me and my friend Becky, we hadn't seen each other in about 5 years. And you know, like, people like have so many stories to tell each other when it's been that long, obviously. But it was so much fun. We were like singing and dancing, and we were in the pub, and then we moved over to no, we were in the club, weren't we? And then we moved over to the pub, and then like, there was a karaoke on, and then just like met loads of new people. So it was a lot of fun. It's only like Sunday, and we're here till Friday. So yeah, we've got a lot of fun to go yet. Good morning, guys. We've just done our beach walk again, and then it started raining on the way back, which is a bit nasty. But it was still a really nice walk. I did about 8,000 steps. That's what I'm getting in every time I do the walk. It's pretty crazy. Then you have the rest of the day as well. It's raining really heavy now, but it's nice and cozy. I've only actually got, yes, kind of room, but really cozy. I've realised I've only brought this jumper with me, so get ready to see it a lot, because I only packed like super summery clothes, not expecting it to be rainy, because we always book it on the sunniest week of July, but no one else has remembered socks apart from me, and I was expecting someone to have a pair of fluffy socks, but that didn't work. But yeah, I think we're going to go up to the town in a bit and buy some food for the week, because we just bought some bits and bobs to last us for Friday to Sunday, and it's Monday now. So yeah, I think the next time you see me, I'll be in Tesco's. So we're on our way to Tesco's, and on our way out we just bumped into my auntie and uncle. They're at like some kind of beach resort because it's my auntie's birthday in a couple of days. So just like passed our key through the window because you're like, I bought biscuits, just popping in to surprise you. So they're gonna like look after the van and just wait for us until we get back from Tesco. So they've gone back to their little holiday cottage, and I think the guys are going to watch a movie, and we're going to pop up to the club in a little while. Maybe into the pub, because that's where they have Wi-Fi. And I'm all snuggly in my dressing gown because I'm so cold today. I think it's because it's been raining so bad. I've just kind of got like the cold all set in, and I've been out in the rain for the majority of the time. But yeah, I'm getting all snuggly before we brave the cold. You're running and it's dressing me. Oh, my feet are wet now.
Yeah, same.
Kind of soggy.
Parkour.
Parkour. Welcome.